For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Hold Rights has a convention called the Reserve Protocol, which is a decentralized stablecoin stage that tries to make cost-stable digital forms of money by collateralizing them with different resources and utilizing a flexible inventory model. The convention as of now offers 3 USD-supported stablecoins, Rust, RFV, and RSR, and a gold-upheld digital money, RGold. What is the native token, RSR, used for? The local token, RSR, of the Reserve Protocol fills 2 essential needs, guaranteeing hold tokens, RTokens, through marking and overseeing them through proposing and deciding on changes to their arrangement. By marking RSR tokens, clients can help guarantee against misfortunes should any of the hold tokens become under-collateralized. What's more, RSR token holders have administration privileges over the actual convention. They can decide on different choices influencing token design settings, for example, trade rates or liquidity expenses charged by money lenders. What makes Reserve Rights unique? The Reserve stablecoin is an imaginative new digital currency supported by a bushel of other cryptographic forms of money. This remarkable methodology gives more brilliant dependability and security than other stablecoins regularly supported by USD in a financial balance. The brilliant agreements that control the Reserve stablecoin guarantee that the basic resources are overseen safely and proficiently. A few variables could keep on driving the cost of RSR higher. Right off the bat, the absolute inventory of RSR tokens is covered at 100 billion. Making shortage and prompting expanded request as additional individuals become mindful of the undertaking. Also, the group behind Reserve Rights is continually dealing with new highlights and upgrades to the stage, which could expand interest from the 2 clients and financial backers the same. At last, Reserve Rights has previously protected organizations with significant trades like Binance, Bybit, and FTX, giving it a strong client base to expand upon. Save Rights is a cryptographic money that permits clients to make and exchange computerized crates of tokens. These bushels can comprise of any ERC20 resources, including stablecoins upheld by other cryptographic forms of money, like USD Coin, USDC, and Paxos Dollar, USDP, and furthermore DeFi yield-bearing resources like Compound USD Coin, Cusk, and AAVE, ADAI. Hold Rights, RSR, Technical Analysis. From a specialized viewpoint, the RSR cost is right now testing a central obstruction level. This is a basic level to watch in light of the fact that a breakout above it could flag the start of a new upswing. Then again, on the off chance that the RSR value neglects to break out over this level, it could start a new downtrend. The RSR cost has been upturned since March 2020. When it reached as far down as possible at around $0.001. From that point forward, the RSR cost has ascended by over 1,200%. However, at that point expressed a downtrend in 2021. One of the fundamental drivers of the new meeting in the RSR cost has been the send-off of the Reserve Rights Protocol, RSR. A decentralized stablecoin stage that permits clients to make and exchange computerized resources fixed to government-issued money or other digital currencies. The RSR convention is exceptionally adaptable and productive with low expenses, making it appealing for the 2 clients and engineers. In sending off its convention, Reserve Rights has likewise been effectively engaged with creating and conveying DeFi conventions on Ethereum's blockchain. Save Rights, RSR. Current price. Save Rights is presently worth $0.005852 US. RSR has moved -4.00% as of now with an exchanging volume of $38,691,455. Save Rights is presently positioned 121 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $247,040,568 US. Save Rights, RSR, Price Prediction 2022. Save Rights, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, RSR. The RSR cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.008777. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.008192 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. RSR is supposed to have a base worth of $0.007022. Save Rights, RSR, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Reserve Rights RSR cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of RSR will before long outperform $0.014629. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the RSR's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, RSR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.011703 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.012873. Save Rights, RSR, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.020480 and RSR might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. RSR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.018725 and a low of $0.017555 in 2024. Hold Rights, RSR, Price Prediction 2025. In the event that Reserve Rights effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the RSR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, RSR will be green in 2025. The RSR is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.026332, with a base cost of $0.023406 and a typical cost of $0.024577. Hold Rights, RSR, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the RSR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.030428 by 2026, with a base cost of $0.029258 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, RSR has a most extreme value worth of $0.032185